There are some places on Earth that have not only amazed people with their geographical expanse, but also with their mysterious history and unknown stories. One such amazing place is the Sahara Desert.
Hidden among the vast sea of sand, the grayness that touches the horizon, the fire of the hot sun and the eerie silence, are countless unknown histories and mysteries.
Today, we know the Sahara as the world's largest hot desert. But the question is, has the Sahara always been like this? Is there a lost civilization hidden under this sand? Why are so many mysteries and legends born around this desert? Our journey today begins in the depths of the mysterious Sahara Desert to find the answers to these questions. Watch the video until the end, because the mystery at the end will change your mind. The Sahara Desert is located in the northern part of the African continent. It is so vast that sometimes it feels like a separate continent rather than a desert. It is the largest hot desert in the world. The Sahara Desert covers an area of about 9.2 million square kilometers, which is almost the same as the United States or China. It extends across Morocco, Algeria, Tunisia, Libya, Egypt, Chad, Mali, and Sudan. A total of 11 countries. But the Sahara is not just sand. There are rocky deserts, dry riverbeds, volcanic traces, and vast salt plains. But the question is, has this place always been like this? The meaning and origin of the name Sahara. The word Sahara comes from the Arabic word Sahara, which means empty land, sandy desert, barren area. But the interesting thing is that as lifeless as the name sounds, the history of the Sahara is as lively and global. The most dangerous aspect of the Sahara Desert is its extreme climate. The temperature is more than 50 degrees Celsius during the day. At night, it can suddenly drop to near 0 degrees Celsius. The sudden onset of sandstorms. A sandstorm can make any person lose their direction in an instant. In some areas, not a single drop of rain falls for years. This terrible environment has made the Sahara one of the most mysterious and dangerous places on Earth. About 100,000 to 12,000 years ago, the Sahara was completely different. This time is called the African Humid Period. Satellite images, ancient fossils, and paintings on rocks prove that elephants, hippos, giraffes, cattle all once lived in the Sahara. There were huge rivers, swamps, regular rain. Today's Nile River was not alone. Many rivers also flowed through the Sahara. But the question is, where did this green Sahara go? In the Sahara of Mauritania, there is a huge spherical structure. When seen from the sky, it looks like an eye. It is called the Richard structure, or the Eye of the Sahara. The diameter is about 50 kilometers. Many people think it was made by aliens, an ancient explosion, or part of Atlantis. Science says it is a natural formation, but the question is, how did nature create such a perfect circle? The debate is still going on today. There are huge salt mines in the Sahara. Once upon a time, salt was as valuable as gold. Salt caravans traveled for miles with camel caravans. Many cities were built on this salt trade. Today, those cities are buried under sand. According to archaeological evidence, people living in the Sahara changed from hunter-gatherers to farmers. They raised animals and created a social and cultural structure. But the question is, where did this civilization suddenly disappear? Science says that due to climate change, the Sahara is gradually drying up. When the rivers and streams dry up, people are forced to move to the Nile Valley, sub-Saharan Africa, and the Mediterranean region. Many believe that these Sahrawis later laid the foundation for Egyptian civilization. Today's Lake Chad is a small body of water, but thousands of years ago, it was one of the largest lakes in the world. Its area is about 400,000 square kilometers. Settlements, fishing, and agricultural societies developed around this lake. The drying up of this lake is one of the reasons for the destruction of the Sahara's population. Stone walls, tombs, ancient weapons, household items have been found in various regions of the Sahara. Especially in the Niger and Mali regions, ruins found indicate that there was an organized society here. Unbelievable but true, sometimes sudden and terrible floods are seen in the Sahara. Heavy rain brings water down from the mountainous areas, which instantly washes away everything. Again, red rain is seen, which is called blood rain. This is basically the red sand of the Sahara blowing in the wind and mixing with the rain. The world-class fauna of the Sahara. Even in such a hostile environment, some animals' ability to survive amazes us. Camels are the ships of the desert. Camels store fat in their humps, which provide them with energy. They can go without water for weeks. The finnick fox is the world's smallest fox, whose large ears help to dissipate body heat. The jerboa is a small rat-like animal that jumps and hides in holes deep in the sand during the day. Desert snakes and scorpions. In the Sahara, the viper snake and the highly venomous deathstalker scorpion are found. In many places in the Sahara, a strange humming or melody can be heard from the sand dunes. This is called singing sand. When sand grains roll over one another, a kind of friction is created that sounds like a drum or flute. In ancient times, people thought that the jinn or spirits of the desert were talking, but there is pure physics behind it. The real kings of the Sahara are the Tuaregs. They're known as the blue people because the blue color of their clothes sticks to their skin. The Tuaregs travel in caravans across the vast Sahara and are skilled at navigating by the position of the stars. Their culture and matriarchal society are very interesting. Recently, thanks to satellite technology, many rivers and ancient cities buried under the sands of the Sahara have been discovered. The Whale Valley, or Wadi al-Hatan, has been found in the Egyptian desert. Surprisingly, these whale skeletons found in the middle of the desert prove that this place was under the sea millions of years ago. Can the Sahara become green again? Scientists say yes, there is a possibility. According to the Earth's climate cycle, the Sahara becomes humid again every 20–25,000 years. Due to changes in the Earth's orbit and axis, the direction of the monsoon winds changes, which can increase rainfall in the Sahara. Already, in some areas, light green grass is growing. New plants are forming small water bodies, which is a sign of the future. Due to climate change, the Sahara Desert is expanding southward every year. This is called desertification. However, to stop this process, many African countries have started the Great Green Wall project, which will create a huge wall of trees across the southern edge of the Sahara. According to scientists, if solar panels can be installed in a small part of the Sahara Desert, it is possible to meet the electricity demand of the entire world. The intense sun of the Sahara may seem like a curse now, but in the future, it may become the main source of energy for mankind. The mysterious Sahara Desert teaches us a profound truth. The world is never static. What is a desert today may be a green paradise tomorrow. What is silent today may be hidden beneath 1,000 years of history. The Sahara is not just sand, it is a mirror of time. It is a witness to human civilization and a symbol of man's eternal curiosity for the unknown.